Zed Wild here. Welcome to the Ecology Garden channel. Press subscribe if you want to learn more about different kinds of exotic, unusual and new species of plants. New varieties too. We're over in Morrab Gardens in PenZance down in Cornwall, UK, where there's a good number of exotic plants growing here. And we're looking now at this tree, evergreen tree with very unusual kind of needles. They're kind of thin and pointy, spiky. Anyway, this tree is called Cunninghamia lanceolata, and the other name for it is China fir. It's got these cones here, quite interesting cones. Anyway, I've made notes here about Cunninghamia lanceolata, China fir. It's a genus of one or possibly two living species of evergreen coniferous trees in the cypress family. It's native to China, northern Vietnam and Laos, perhaps also Cambodia. It may reach 50 meters in height. In vernacular use, it's often known as Cunninghamia, but sometimes called China fir, though it is not a true fir. Its genus name honours Dr. James Cunningham, a British doctor who introduced the species into cultivation in 1702, and also the botanist Alan Cunningham. It's a prized timber tree in China, producing soft, highly durable scented wood, similar to that of the coast redwood, which is California, and the sugi or cryptomeria. Have a look at the trunk here, the bark. It's got unusual dead needles along the old branches, quite unusual there. Onwards. It's used in particular for the manufacture of coffins and in temple building, where the scent is valued. Although it resembles conifer trees in much colder climates, the tree is highly tolerant of heat and can be found growing down to sea levels in regions such as Hong Kong. In Chinese folklore, the roots, branches, leaves and bark have been used for pain relief. In China, roughly 30% of plantations are Cunninghamia lanceolata, approximately 9 million hectares. It's also used for carbon sequestration. It's used in southern states of USA as a Christmas tree. It's commonly planted ornamentally in temperate zones as a specimen tree. Right, growing conditions. On the RHS website, it describes the growing conditions as loam, sand or clay soil or chalk. The moisture requirement is moist but well drained. The pH is acid, alkaline or neutral of the soil. You can position it in full sun or partial shade. And the hardiness rating is H5, the RHS hardiness rating. It's hardy in most places in the UK, even in severe winters, down to -15 to -10. Okay, so that's the end of this little chat on Cunninghamia. Beautiful garden here in Morrab. So many different exotic plants here. Lovely palm there, phoenix. These here aloes, which I might do a talk on aloe. This is an aloe striaculum. Okay, Zed Wild, over and out.